Meanwhile, the city of Lebanon is offering sandbags to help residents protect their property ahead of the heavy rain. News 2's Alex Cordetti explains how the demand was higher than expected. Alex?
That's right, Bob. Lebanon police say they ran out of sandbags in just an hour and a half, but they are going to try and fill more tonight. Now, the original plan was for business and homeowners to pick up the bags from one of 2 locations until 9 p.m., but they ran out in less than 2 hours. Now, police tell us they'll try to fill 1,000 more sandbags with the help of inmates. The Lebanon Fire Department says the limit will be 20 bags per property. Those 2 pickup points are Lebanon Fire Department Station 1 on East Gay Street and the Cedar Crest Shopping Center on West Main Street as well. Now, police plan for the newly filled bags to be at both of those same locations, but of course we will continue to follow this to keep everyone informed. Bob.